Hi guys, and welcome back to Chanda Southern Kitchen. Today I will be showing you a leftover turkey casserole. And the ingredients needed for this casserole are as follows: garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Olive oil, chopped onions, chopped celery, chopped bell pepper, rice, shredded cheese, chopped leftover turkey. Get your olive oil added to the pan. Now it's time to add a few of our ingredients: celery, bell peppers, onions, and we're going to get that sauteed until it's almost translucent. Now it's time to get our signature ingredient added to our pan. And we're just going to get this mixed up to take the chill off the turkey. Now it's time to add our garlic powder, our black pepper, and our onion powder, and get that mixed in. Next, we'll be adding our cream of chicken and our cream of mushroom. Get those ingredients mixed up. Then add in your rice and get that mixed up also. Now add in half of your cheese and get that mixed up also. Now it's time to get our pan greased down before we add our casserole. Add your casserole to your pan. And get that smoothed out in your pan. Last step before it goes in the oven is topping it off with the rest of your cheese. Now that our oven has preheated to 350, it's time to get our casserole in our oven. And we're gonna get that baked for 30 minutes. And this is what it looks like, guys. It looks so yummy, and I promise you, you would love it. Let's go ahead and dip us a little bit. What an easy and simple way to use over our leftover turkey, you guys. We're gonna get this garnished, and then we're gonna give it a try. Thanks for joining me again, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.